Hello and welcome back to the Performance Improvement video training series on how to use the Performance Improvement SharePoint site template. This is video 8, an introduction to the Project Documents folder. In this tutorial we will demonstrate how to upload documents to the Project Documents folder on SharePoint. To begin, let's access the Project Documents folder on the site. The hyperlink to access the folder is in the left-hand navigation bar under the header Documents. Simply scroll up on the header until you see the mouse cursor change to the pointing finger. Go ahead and click on the Project Documents hyperlink. As the web page refreshes, you'll see that you've now navigated to the Project Documents folder. By default, the improvement charter should already be uploaded to this folder. Now that we're in the folder, I'm going to demonstrate the two methods of uploading documents to this folder. The first is through the use of the Upload New Document function under the Upload button. Simply click on Upload, allow the browser to refresh one moment, and you'll see that you're in the Upload Document Project Documents task pane. Go ahead and click on the Browse button. Navigate your computer to find the file you wish to upload. In this case, I'm looking on my desktop, locating the file, which is an Excel file, selecting Open, and telling it OK to upload the file. It'll then open up another task pane in which you are going to briefly explain the file no show trend. So we see here the name of the file is no show trend. It's an Excel file. All these fields are optional. Mostly they're for classification purposes. If you'd like, go ahead and fill them out. In this case, I'm going to leave them all empty and not change any of the status, but just show you that they are different types of statuses for a draft, ready for review, and final document. I'm going to leave this as draft status and select OK. Again, the web page will refresh, this time navigating back to the Project Documents folder, and in the folder you'll see that the no show trend file that I recently uploaded will be displayed in this folder. Okay, that summarizes how you can upload a file using the Upload button. There is another way of uploading files. I will go ahead and demonstrate that. This method is useful when you're uploading several files to the Project Documents folder. In order to do that, simply click on Actions. Scroll down to see the Open with Windows Explorer. Click on that field. Allow the browser for one moment to process and open up the Project Documents folder in Explorer view. I'm going to go ahead and minimize that window briefly. You're always going to have this small navigation pane open. You can ignore that. Simply close this window. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and minimize SharePoint for one moment and actually open up my project documents or my documents folder on my computer and locate the folder in which I've saved all the files that I wish to upload to SharePoint. So I've named that file Televox, and here we have a series of 5 files that I wish to upload to Project Documents. Okay, so I have my Televox file open. Again, this is under My Documents. I'm going to open up the Project Documents folder that had opened from the queue in which I instructed it to open in Windows Explorer view, and simply select the files from the My Computer file, the Televox file, by highlighting all. You can drag and drop the files into the Project Documents folder, allow for them to copy, only should take a few moments, and now you see that I have uploaded a series of 5 files to the Project Documents folder. Go ahead and close that, and close the Televox folder which I had saved on My Documents, and reopen the SharePoint site. And there are different ways to refresh the Project Documents folder. I believe one of the easiest is to navigate back to the landing page through the breadcrumbs. Allow for the computer to queue for just one moment. Now we're back on the landing page, and to just confirm that all the documents did upload, I'm going to click on the project documents link on the navigation bar, which will bring me back to the project documents folder, and you'll see that those 5 files that I had previously uploaded are now displayed in the folder. And that is the conclusion of this tutorial. We will, in another tutorial, demonstrate how to use some tools and tricks in order to distribute these files to the team members via email. So if you're interested in learning how to do so, be sure to tune into tutorial 13 for instructions on how to do that. Thank you.